Jai Shamanarna. Welcome to the Satvic food channel. Today I'll be making homemade whipped cream. To make whipped cream, all you need is 3 simple ingredients. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, and 2 teaspoons of sugar. Now you pour your 1 cup of heavy whipped cream in a large mixing bowl. Now I have poured the heavy whipping cream into the large mixing bowl. Then you have to beat the mixture till you get stiff peaks. I have been beating my mixture for a couple of minutes. After you get stiff peaks, you add 2 teaspoons of sugar, then you add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. After you add the vanilla, then you beat your mixture again. I have finished beating my mixture. After you're done, scrape off the sides of your bowl with a spatula. Now you're finally finished with your homemade whipped cream. Now you can utilize this whipped cream by topping it on cakes, cupcakes, and any other kinds of desserts. Thank you for watching, and Jai Shamanarna.